Okay, this is my boat, Aquarella, a 31-foot Halbo Race from 1976. Now that I'm alone after my husband died, I sail single-handed. I still have a lot to learn, but slowly and surely I'm getting there. The boat is now anchored in a sheltered bay in Greece, and I'll be taking a trip for a few hours or so to find new inspiration for my paintings. Fortunately, I've got an electric anchor windlass, so I don't have to use a lot of strength to get the anchor up. Slowly motoring out of the way of the other boats before I hoist the sails. I know it would look cooler to sail out of the anchorage without the help of the engine, but I don't dare. I'm always afraid of losing control and smashing into some expensive yacht or two. There's a rolling boom on the Aquarella, making it easy to hoist the mainsail, but you still need strong muscles nevertheless. I must remember to take the winches apart and lubricate them sometime. That's something I've never tried, like so many other things on this boat. Now I've turned the engine off, put her on course, and the autopilot is steering. This is really great, a feeling of total freedom and independence. I forgot to tidy up the foredeck. Good thing the wind hasn't been so strong, I might have lost something. I have to get more routined and try to remember what to do and in which order to do it. Right, I'm approaching the anchorage, so I'll start furling the Genoa in. Actually, there's lots of time, but I don't want to do anything in the last minute. That's something my captain always told me. This is called multitasking. I have to practice a bit more. We were always doing this together. The wind's getting up, so I'll put my life jacket on. Just look at that paper I wrote my waypoints on. Never mind, they're all used anyway. I have to remember to secure everything, even in the cockpit. Got the tension right without someone to hold on to the other end of the halyard, so it's a bit loose, but I'll sort it out later. Now to relax. After I have a swim, I can take a glass of wine and get into some painting.